Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you want to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, then you should see a settings cog on the top right hand side, so you want to click on that. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see pages, so you want to select that. And it should give you the option to reactivate your pages. So you just want to select view, then obviously it'll bring up all the deactivated pages on there, so you can obviously select which one you want to reactivate. So just click on that. And that will reactivate your page for you. Thanks for watching.